Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to another video of Code with Mahdi. And today in this video, you will learn how to make a movie website with search functionality using HTML, CSS and JavaScript with Bootstrap and ChatGPT. Now here, this is the website Bootstrap. Copy the CSS link, paste in head tag. Copy this script tag and paste it in HTML body tag. Now you can connect it to Bootstrap. Here, never copy this navbar code and paste here, and here you can see the class name navbar light, so replace with dark, and here also. Now you can see the navbar is successfully added to my website, and this is the chat GPT. Here I am right. Push enter. Copy the style tag and paste in head tag. After this, copy this code and paste here. After this, copy this script tag and paste here. Now you can change this URL. I am also provide this link on the description. Now you can see the data is populated successfully. And here I will write Now you can see I'm right big and push search button. Now you can see search functionality is also working. Yeah. After this, I will populate it video copy this video style and paste here and copy this video tag and paste here. Now you can see the video is populated successfully. Copy this CSS code and paste it here and copy this code and paste here. After this, now you can see hover effects are added successfully and styles will added successfully on the search input. And I am right for. Now you can see the result are shown. So this video is end here, and after closing this video, I will request you please subscribe my channel and like this video to watch more videos like this.